Hello everyone, welcome back to the FinTech Jack YouTube channel. As promised in my earlier video, I wanted to show you the hardware haul for my first ever mining rig. As you know, it's really difficult right now. It's end of May 2021. It's really difficult right now to get hardware that is really good for mining, or specifically is made for mining. Motherboards like the ASRock H110 is really difficult to find, and it's really expensive. So instead I thought of getting some pieces of hardware that that might keep their resale value for the future, and also that I could do other things with if things don't work out, or I could use for other projects. So what we have here, I have a GIGABYTE Z390D motherboard. I have a Intel i5-9400F processor. It's a LGA 1151 socket. I have a Patriot 128 gigabyte SSD. I have 2 sticks of 8 gig memory. These are made by GOODRAM. I know it's overkill for mining, but I'm gonna use it for other things as well. I have here a CORSAIR 1000 watt power supply. I also have one of these adapters. It's used to plug in the SSD and plug it into another computer in a USB port, and I'm going to use this to flash Hive OS, which is a mining operating system, onto the SSD. And I also have a thermal paste for the processor. This is Kryonaut ultra high performance thermal grease. So it's a little stick like this and a spreader tool. Alright, so let me get some of the stuff out of the way, and I'll show you the motherboard and the power supply really quick. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Alright, so here's the box and the back. So we're talking about the GIGABYTE Z390D. Right. Out of the box. First of all, let's see what else is in the box for now. We have CD. Who uses CD anymore? Anyway, we have the user's manual. We have the installation guide. We have the I/O shield. And we have a SATA, or 2 SATA cables actually. I'm going to take these out. This stays in the box for now. And this is the motherboard. Looks nice. It has 6 PCIe slots, so that means for now 6 cards. There's an adapter also for the M.2 port here that you could use to add another card, but we'll see how that works. I don't have that many cards just yet. The I/O shield, it has USB 3 and it has Ethernet and an HDMI port, and some of these old keyboard and mouse ports who nobody uses anymore. Anyway, it has onboard sound and so on. It looks very nice. All right, let's put this out of the way. I also got a keyboard, Logitech wireless keyboard, just so I have something specific for this build. And now the Corsair 1000 watt power supply. Let me just quickly unbox it. This is an 80 plus gold power supply. Let's see what we have here. How do you open this thing? We have to... I don't want to break this box. Okay. Do something like this. Break the seal. So we have a user's manual, some important information as they say here, power cord, some zip ties to organize the cables, and screws to screw it into the computer case. This is the Corsair RM1000i, and the ports, it's fully modular. It has 2, 4, 6, 8-pin ports here, 4 6-pin, 2 more 6-pin, so in total 6 6-pin, the 24-pin ATX and CPU. Port, big on-off button on the back, and the specs here. And then we have nice little pouch with a whole bunch of cables, whole lot of cables. I think more than I need right now. Some of these Molex that we can't use anymore, not so good. Anyway, SATA, a lot of SATA, and all these different, and then the motherboard cable with the pins that you need. All right, thanks very much for watching. I'll come back with a build video when I'm gonna get my my frame for my mining rig, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, help this channel out. There's some links down below for Binance and Coinbase and so on. If you sign up using those links, you get some perks, I get some perks, everybody's happy. So do that and do all the good stuff. And until the next video, thanks and have a good one.